Hello everyone, my name is Saturnax, and in this video I'm just showing you step by step what you just need to do in order to get rid of the glitch when it comes to redeeming the code from Discord for the YouTube Premium for 3 months. So some of the people say that they have it available only for 1 month or 2, but not free. As you can see now in the gift inventory, in my gifts, YouTube Premium is available for 3 months, but when I just go into the page where I can redeem the code, let's paste it in here, it shows me only 2 months because I'm living in a country where the YouTube is just available only for 2 months, the trial version. So with that said, I just want to go and run the VPN. I'm using the Urban VPN. This is the free VPN that you can get from the web. And as you can see, here's a list of the countries that I can connect to in order to get this 3 months trial for the YouTube. And countries that do offer the 3 months of trial are the USA and the Germany, for example. So I want to connect to the Germany because I know that the Germany works fine. As you can see, we're just connecting into the Germany right now. It's connected. Now let me just close this and refresh the page, and now we have it for 3 months. So this is the way that you want to do in order to get this YouTube Premium for 3 months instead of 2 or 1. I hear that for some other countries it's available only for 1 month, so I don't really like it because it's like a normal free trial of the YouTube Premium, so it's not really worth it. But for 3 months you can just get this while using the other countries such as Germany or USA. And now when I click on the try it for free, as you can see, here is the list of my information that I need to paste in here to get it all up and running as it should be at the first place. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to smash the like button, and soon I'm just also making the cool content like this, showing people how to solve some stuff and to get over something. So please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See me guys in the next video. See you.